This is lines 119 to 127 of Ovid's account of Pyramus and Thisbe, and the two Babylonian youths have decided to meet out in near the tomb of Ninus, near the shade of a tree. And Thisbe got there first. She saw a lion that spooked her. She flees into the cave, dropping her veil. The lion paws at the veil, kind of bloodying it with the blood that was already on its jowls from a fresh kill. And and Pyramus comes a little bit later. He doesn't see Thisbe, but he sees the lion, and he sees the bloody veil, and he puts two and two together and thinks that she's died. And so now he has resolved to die, despite this declaration that it's the mark of a timid person to wish for death. Nonetheless, his actions here in 119, and with it, with which he had been equipped, he plunged the iron. So iron here is a common metonymy or synecdoche for sword, into his ilia, into his groin, or into his kind of bowels or entrails. There is no delay, or this is also an idiom that means without delay. Dying, he pulled or dragged the pharum, the sword, out of the warm wound, and of course the wound is warm because of his blood, and flat on his back he laid there on the ground. And this is the ablative. We would expect humi, the really familiar locative case there, but nonetheless Ovid's chosen to use humo. His blood, his bloodshed, spurts high up in the air. So spurts into the air high. So the blood pulses in the air. Not other than when. So we have a very drawn out simile introduction here. Not other than when a fistula, which is a pipe, and here a water pipe, by some faulty lead is split. And with thin hissing hole, or maybe here out of or by the thin hissing hole, long streams of water, literally long waters, but long pulses, long streams of water, it sends out. So it pulses out, it sends out these long streams of water. And it beats the air with its pulses. The tree fruit, by the spattering or the sprinkling of the bloodshed into a dark appearance, is turned. So that the fruit of the tree here are turned into a dark appearance by the sprinkling or the splattering of the bloodshed. And the roots, or literally the root, soaked with blood, tinges, colors, stains the hanging mulberries with that dark red color. So of course we get purple from this, but purple would not be the right color here. It's a very dark red.